This video shows the Econocorp Spartan Cartoner with an optional 10-foot bucket conveyor and Tamp style infeed for automatically loading 4 trays of frozen food product into a seal end carton. For this application, the trays are loaded into the buckets of the conveyor by an operator or robot. If the bucket is loaded with product, the machine will automatically open a box to be loaded. Once the product has entered the load station, it is automatically fed into the open box. Once the box is loaded, it indexes forward through the cartoner to be applied with hot melt adhesive and compressed shut. The loaded, glued, and closed box is then discharged from the back of the machine and ready for case packing. For more information, give us a call at 1-781-986-7500 or email us at info@econocorp.com.